This is your channel messages for the 13th of April. It is 13th of April. Scorpio, you rule the 13th card in the major arcana in the tarot deck. Now, Scorpio, your channel message is the monster study. Okay, so let me just read a brief as to what the monster study is. The monster study was a controversial experiment conducted in 1939 on 22 orphan children in Iowa by Wendell Johnson and his graduate students, Mary Tudor. The study aimed at exploring the cause of stuttering, but it is now widely condemned for its unethical treatment of the children. So I'm getting, Scorpio, when you were younger, you used to stutter? I have a sister, a younger sister. She born October 27. When she was growing up, she had a stutter. She would always, I wasn't sure why. Also, myself, when I was growing up, there was a thing people would say I had a heavy tongue. They would say, or a lisp. Okay, so I think it's either you have a lisp, okay? If you don't have a lisp tongue, I'm getting something about stuttering or something about your parents did make some people experiment on you. You notice that, like, you have some people who grow out, like my sister, she grew out of her stuttering. It just went away one day. And I won't lie, I feel like a magic them was using on her. Because she just woke up and but I never asked her if she even noticed. But I'm getting the monster experiment. So I'm getting, the experiment involved intentionally creating negative reinforcement in some children to include stuttering, right? Leading to lasting psychological trauma. So maybe somebody used to make fun of you because you stutter. Them want to be patient. I don't know, there's something about you being very insecure about the way how you speak. So you decided to not speak anymore. But also getting the monster study, like a group of people, a group of children who was selected to be a part of an experiment based on them, the way how them speak. And just so you know, y'all have an accent too. I want you to know that. Canadians, you have an accent. You know that. You know, if you come to my country, you gotta have an accent. You don't speak like us in my country, just like how I don't speak like you in this country. But I'm getting something about stuttering, a lisp, or some type of speech impediment. Scorpio, the death card. Yeah. Okay, so I'm kind of getting that. I'm getting something about something happened to you. I'm getting it caused you to stutter, to hide what was happening to you. I don't know if you were getting abused. Wait, let me look on something, Scorpio. I know that. Okay, it says stuttering, a speech fluency disorder, is likely to be caused by a combination of factors, including genetics. Nobody else in my family stutters. I think yes, my uncle stuttered too. Those were the two people in my family that stuttered. My little sister and my uncle, right? Neurological differences and potential environment influences. So, but me getting you grew out of it, or one day you wake up and it gone. Me getting something was done to you to hide what was being done to you. And me getting one day you just grew out of this stuttering. I don't even think you remember you used to have this weird speech impediment. I used to have a weirder speech impediment, Scorpio. So let's go ahead and go into your reading. We have the Sun card coming out first. So the Sun card is Leo. I'm not sure if a Leo was doing something to you. I don't know if you have when you're younger. I'm getting when you're young. Yeah, it started from you were a baby. Or something that happened to you when you were a child. I'm getting you grew up in an adulthood that you stutter. First of all, it can be treated. Adults who face stuttering, you ever smoked CBD, you ever smoked cannabis? I feel like cannabis would have helped you. Or you notice that when you drink, you don't stutter. Maybe when you sing. When you sing, you don't stutter. I'm getting something that happened to you when you were a baby, or something that a Leo did to you, and it caused you to like stutter. We have the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, the Rose of Fortune. We have the Emperor. We have the Three of Wands, and we also have the Page of Wands. So is it your son? We're getting something about your son. Me getting something about your son was directed to carry out certain type of... Your father worked for CIA, your father worked for the government. Me feel like your father worked for the government, your father put your family in the government. Or your father or your parents gave over you to the government for some type of experiment. Me getting a Leo was ordered by this emperor as to what to do to you when you were younger. Me remember when me younger, they would, especially my older brother, he would always do sleep deprivation on me. Anytime I sleep, he would wake me up and try to talk to me in my sleep. And they would always do it and think it funny. And sometimes, like, I'm sure it caused psychological effects on me, but I remember me sleeping and then would always wake me up with this shining light in front of me. And then they would just wake me up and ask me questions. And apparently my response would have been funny, so... Yeah, me getting something like that. Me getting your son, or me getting something about everything. Maybe your father used to beat the shit out of you. Me getting your father used to brutally beat you as a child. Bad. And me getting the fear of your father cause you to stutter. Me getting even when you think about your father, you start stutter. Me getting some type of abuse what happened to you when you were a baby. Me getting them used to put you through one loop. When you were a child, okay, so if this is a boy, me getting page once you grew out of it, or me getting you left the home country, or you left the home territory that people knew you to be stuttering for. When you left, me getting when you left, maybe when you left a household, when you did move out, me getting you stop stuttering. They call it the monster experiment. Yeah, let's go. And it said the monster study was a non-consensual experiment performed by 22 children. Let's go again. The sun card is clarified by the 10 of swords. Me getting you used to get beat a lot when you were a kid. Or me no know, me feel like your parents tell people, say, oh, you have a speech impediment and you're a baby, you're 2 years old and you're not talking yet. Me getting is a lie. Me getting something your parents did to you, but them did it to you for make sure you never remember something. I don't know if it was getting abuse. Me getting something was done so you won't speak. The Wheel of Fortune is clarified by the Empress. Okay, so now me getting a Jewish woman. Or me getting something that was done to you to exclude you from a certain group. The Empress we have the Emperor and the Empress. Scorpio, first of all, so me getting a reuniting with somebody. Me getting a find your Emperor. Now, this could be something about your son or something about the offspring, your offspring. Me getting a baby a stutter. Yes, something terribly wrong. And I know doctors and pediatricians will say, oh, it's normal, it's them a grow tight. Something wrong. Your kid, and me getting when your kid sing, the kid don't stutter. So me have me getting your family. Who is your mother or father? Or me getting somebody was waiting on you to figure out something. The 3 of Wands is clarified by the 8 of Cups, and the Page of Wands is clarified by the 4 of Swords. Maybe you start meditating. Maybe you see if you're an adult, you go through stuttering, getting something about like meditation, mindfulness. It's also important if you're an adult stuttering, you find somebody who will listen. I know stuttering takes more time. Somebody who will listen to you, because you're so insecure about stuttering. You're so insecure about finding a girl to date that you just don't talk. You rather text online. Now, if this is not stuttering, you speak 2 languages. So you might have an accent in a language where you speak, like the opposite language you speak. If you speak English, you have an accent in English, and somebody's telling you, oh, you can't speak English. Sir, go suck your mother. You understand that? Go suck out your mother. Did you get that? Did you understand that? Or do we have to Google Translate? Them a talk about saying you don't speak English because you have accent. Them have accent too. What the fuck wrong with them? Anytime I hear people talk, you have an accent too. You come to my country, them know you not come from there too. I guess people IQ is so low, them don't know this. Them think when you come to them country and talk English, oh my god, yeah, you need to learn English. You have an accent. You have an accent too. What the fuck you talking about? You don't sound like the people and me no sound that way. You don't sound like me. You have an accent too. Maybe you need to learn English properly too. You have an accent. One more. I'm getting the 9 of Cups. I'm getting something about the wish fulfillment. Also, here's what I'm getting. I'm getting something about a Jewish man and a Jewish woman coming together. So, I'm kind of getting no babies. Now, I know for a Jewish man, it's very important for him to have a child. But I'm getting when you're not going to have a kid, it's going to be you and the emperor. So, I'm getting before you're tied a knot with somebody, I'm getting somebody Jewish. I'm getting before you're tied, yeah, I'm getting a one Jewish place, Scorpio. You want a Jewish place? I'm getting something about it's going to be you and the emperor. But I'm getting kids are out of the picture. Maybe you don't want to carry the child. Or I'm getting after you got pregnant, you start stutter. Or after you got pregnant, the stuttering faded. I'm getting something about 10 of Swords, the sun. So I'm also getting something about you. I find out like, I'm getting somebody don't want kids. Or them don't want the children. I know that's very important to a Jewish man though. But I mean, the emperor and the empress, you guys are not higher than each other. You're not lower than each other. And even if you tell the empress, you don't want her because you don't want to have kids, she's still an empress. I'm also getting something about no kids. Because I'm getting your child are going to be put back into the system again. Your child are going to be experimented on again. I better you get an orphan. Let's go. We have Wednesday. We have Scorpio, the 13th zodiac sign. Yeah, the dead. Getting something completely changed. We have Sagittarius. We have mental health. Did you notice when you were stuttering and mental health was terrible? Or was it terrible because of the fact that you were insecure about talking? And we have Illuminati. Yeah, I'm getting something about the monster experiment, Scorpio. Now, the Scorpionic card did not come out, the death card. But I kind of feel like something was done to you for cover up what happened to you or what you say when you were younger. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.